hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? And how are you today? I'm fine, thank you. What about you? I'm fine, thank you. What about you? And I'm fine, thank you. What about you? And how are you today? So, how are you today? We are going to learn a new letter. But before that, let's revise the letters that we have already learned. Can you tell me which is the first letter? Capital letter A. Now tell me, A says A. After A, which letter will come? Capital letter B. B says B. Then after B, it's letter C. C says K. Then after C, yes, it's letter D. D says D. Which letter is this? Capital letter D. How to write capital letter D? Standing line, opposite, C curve, capital letter D. Now we will see related pictures to the capital letter D. Now D for door and D for dice. Children, आप घर में स्नेक एंड लेटर्स एंड लूडो खेलते हैं ना, उसमें डाइस होता है ना, दैट इज डाइस. एंड डी फॉर डॉल्फिन. Dolphin is a water animal. D for duck. Duck says quack quack, quack quack. D for doll. Do you like play with doll? D for dog. Dog says boo boo boo. And D for drum. Do you like play with drum? We will see how to write capital letter D. Before that, you have to do 5 ticks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now, start. Red line to second blue line, standing line, and red line to second blue line, opposite C curve. Again. Red line to second blue line, standing line, and red line to second blue line, opposite C curve. Okay? Again, red line to second blue line, standing line, red line to second blue line, opposite C curve. Children, you have to write capital letter D like this way. Now, we will draw D for drum. Sleeping line, sleeping line, C curve, C curve, standing line, standing line, join with the sleeping line, go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, then small circle. Now slanting line, and small circle. D for drum. Now children, how to write capital letter D in book? Red line to second blue line, standing line, and red line to second blue line, opposite C curve. Red line to second blue line, standing line, red line to second blue line, opposite C curve. Now children, you have to leave this one line and we will draw D for drum. Sleeping line, sleeping line, C curve, C curve, standing line, joined with the sleeping line. Now go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, come down. Small circle, small circle, 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 circle. Slanting line, slanting line. Then two small circle. D for drum. You have to do practice at home with your parents like this. Okay? Now children, let's do one activity. Which letter can you see? Capital letter D. What can you see? Yes, there are circles. Now we will do fingerprint in these circles. First of all, you have to dip your finger in this color and then do fingerprint in these circles like this. Okay children? Again, dip your finger. Capital letter D. Have you enjoyed this activity? Now children, what is this? This is alphabet tree. Let's sing alphabet song. Here we go round the alphabet tree, the alphabet tree, the alphabet tree. Here we go round the alphabet tree, singing the songs of letters. This is the sound that D can make. Da 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 da. This is the sound that D can make. Da 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 da. Have you understood how to write capital letter D? Children, you have to do practice at home with your parents. Bye bye children. Take care.